Check it
Come here,
off.
big boy. Inside.
Inside. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 Aji. I'm right here. I'm right here. Hi, Onyx. Come here. Come to mommy. Come here. Come inside. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come, big boy. Come on, come on. He's scared. Don't, no, no. Onyx, come on. Come on, big boy.
You gotta see me do it first?
No, don't do it. He's scared. He's like, what is that? Trying to. Aww. Of course. Just mark everything. Because you're stubborn. There you go. There you go. Come on.
Run to this one. Maybe this one.
One more. Yay! We did it! Uh-oh. His friend. You hear that? Helicopters. They're ready for war or something. What a dork. Come on, Onyx. Good boy. Go down. Yay! What? He goes up and down. So you gotta have him walk up here and then he'll just go down. It's kind of scary for Pobrecito, he's gonna be scared. Come on, big boy. Whoa! Whoa! Did you do that?